What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing Technology. So for this week's video, we're going to be doing the photo board 3D printing. Some of you may have seen this already. It's a 3D printed object by Fab 365. And this guy designs these prints to be printed flat. And then you can photo them into a car, robots, and a few more other things. So I've seen this guy's models around on Instagram for a while, and I thought I'd try one out. So for this week, I went to his website and got the 3D printed photo board band model, since that seems like more intricate parts and stuff. He also has a free photo board Android robot, like for the smartphones and Google type Android, if you want to check that out. Also, this is not a paid advertisement type vid. I just found this a cool concept of photo board 3D printing. So I'll show you the website of all of his photo board designs on it that you can get, and then we'll print one out, fold it, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so on Fab365's website, here is the S3D processor settings. So I might have to change a few things in my preset MK 2.53 printer profile, my simplified 3D. And right here is a few more details about the print. He gives a description of where I built the model, I guess, and some of the file sizes and average print time. So you can pause it and read this if you would like to. So after downloading the model, here it is in simplified 3D. As you can see, it's a very large model. It takes up most of the build plate. And here is the print settings, about 7 hours, material cost, all that. This is with my default settings, so obviously I'm going to have to change it to match the settings that Fab365 printed this with, which will bump up to about 14 to 16 hours. So now that we got it finished printing, it took about 14 to 16 hours, and I had to let it print overnight. But now that it's finished, you can see it here. So you got 1, 2, 3 doors. Got the wheels that I think actually moves. The two front and back, front piece and back piece that puts into place. Side pieces. Then these two wheel bottom pieces. It should slide into place. You can see the detail on it. It says Fab 365, the designer's name. But right now we're going to get ready to remove the raft on it and then start putting it into place. So I'm going to start with the edge pieces. This should be the default raft settings on Simplified 3D for Prusa MK2S3 printer. I'm going to take my time removing the raft to make sure I don't break anything. So we've got the front piece done. So this is going to take a while. Okay, so after removing the raft, took our effort. I think I'm gonna have to adjust the raft settings if I do another one of these videos. But I got all removed except for a tiny piece right here on the inside. So that shouldn't be a problem. And I'll be able to see it anyways. But all of this piece came loose, but it's easier to get back on. And then the doors move. Obviously the sliding door, these slide down into place, and then the wheels do move and they don't come out, so it's good. So the next step is we're going to start the time-lapse progression of it folding part of this video. Okay, so you just saw the building part of the video. So this is the banner part right here. So all four wheels do move. It has the designer stamp on the inside, Fab 365. The sliding door moves. You can see the inside of the van. The back doors open and close. This door right here is kind of hard to fit into place, but it does if you try harder with it. And then once you're ready to push it back out, you can put your finger on the inside and push it. And so in the bottom, you got the Fab 365 logo like I showed you before. Piece where it snapped together. So this is the finished part overall. It's a good design. I like it. Some good detail on the car parts. Not sure if this piece right here is print settings issue, which it probably is, or if it's a design issue. Now you can either paint the model or display it wherever you wish. That's pretty much it for this video. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Basically, I'd be able to 3D print this design and assemble it and show you what it looks like finished. I've been seeing a few of these on Instagram, so I figured it would be a cool video to make. Overall, I like the design. It's very innovative, and the fact that you can use all 3D print parts in this design to create something that moves and folds like the doors and snaps together is pretty cool. Kind of just shows how 3D printing is advancing and the design process and all of that. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here for this week. If this video gets enough support, views, thumbs up, what have you, we may try to make another video like this. Maybe with one of its car designs or robot designs. But anyways, if you like this video and see these videos first, make sure to click subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.